Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the air filter gasket on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Lift the tab to detach the air filter cover and, if still intact, remove the old gasket. Install the new air filter gasket by positioning it on the filter base. Realign the filter cover and snap it into place. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.